Starting the recall work now. I want him to come to the law and then to the fist. This is the first time I've showed him the law. It's only a small leather pad. Come on then. He's £7.6 today and seems quite keen at that. He's quite twittery today. He seems to have took a step back for some reason. Don't know what's quite going on in his head. Good lad. A little bit of manning at the front of the house. Let me watch the cars go past. Not too bad. Stressed a little bit just now when people went past, but it's not too bad. Watching. Just calling him once to the law now, recall law. Fine giving him his full quota of food, just calling him once makes him less angry. Because at the minute he's killing the law rather than coming to it. No, he's a bit better today. Well, that's a good 50 yard. Virtually straight away. Is that it, big lad? Come on then, get off the law. Let the sheep out. Go on, man. Right, Eric's £7.8 today. Just pushing his weight up a little bit. See how far we can take him up, and he still does as he's told.
Gives me a bit of weight to play with. I've had him down as low as £7.2, so we know when we go hunting we need him down to about £7.5, I would think, but we'll see where we go and how responsive he is at £7.8, just to get him fit really and more exercise. We're almost to 100 yards now. It's 100 yards to that, so we'll do about 80-90 today and see what he does, what his response is. He's lifting his head to it, but I'm not sure he's going to be that bothered. Oh, I don't know. He's come. Ringneck parakeet, been around here for about 2 weeks. There's a couple of them actually. There they are, both of them. I think they're just about all over the UK now. Okay, Eric's £7.8 today. We've got him coming from this perch to that far perch, which is 100 yards. But he's been coming to the law for his full quota of food really, and then just being picked up with half a chick. What I'm trying to do now is going to get him to fly back and to each perch. But I'm going to progress to that by flying him from this perch to that tire perch, and then back to this perch and gradually increase the distance till he gets the hang of it. So we'll see how we go on. Come on. Come on. Just increase this distance a bit. Eric! Eric! One more. Eric, come on, go on, big lad.
I stopped calling him back and two from the perch to the tyre perch as he started a habit of hitting the chick on the tyre perch and carrying on, which we don't want him carrying. So I went back to the paddler.
Eat my shorts, all these great songs and headlines on the way after the news at night.
Greatest Hits Radio. Breakfast with McCarthy Glenn's designer outlet West Midlands. Rediscover the joy of dressing up at over 65 designer brands.
Come on, big lad.
Time to finally get those garden jobs done.
You getting on?
Find it at Hollybush. Get what you need for less at Hollybush Garden Centre. From landscape.
Come on, get on.
We have the materials you need to improve your garden, including gravel, fencing, plants and tools. Make your vision a reality with Hollybush Garden Centre. Visit Hollybush Garden Centre in Shires Hill, Wolverhampton, just off Junction 11 M6.
Okay, come on.
Hollybush-garden.com.
Come on.
We all live different lives, which is why at Toyota we have electrified vehicles to suit everyone.
Back it in.
Whether hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or full electric, at Toyota every choice counts. And our team
£7, 5 and a half. £7, 5 and a half. Come on, get on. Get on. Do the 100 yards today, see how quickly he comes. Hopefully he's on the ball. £7, 5 and a half. Get the whistle ready. Come on! There we go, straight away. Good lad. Okay, Eric's £7.6 today. We've set up the bull X and I'm going to try him on it today. We've got half a rabbit skinned off there, looking like a full rabbit attached to the drag law. So we'll see how he goes on this. If he does well, he can eat all that half a rabbit, give him a good reward on it. See how he performs. Some bullets on. You gonna go? Ready? Ha! That was okay. Good lad. Go on, eat it all. He's come on quite well really. I'm quite happy with his recall, although I am calling him to a law. Call him to that pad law and then jump him up to the fist to half a chick, so he's doing well on that. He's chased the drag law and just had chick rewards a couple of times really. But he's clicked now. We're getting there with him. Still a bit twittery every now and then, but all in all I think he's going to make a good hunting eagle. Thank you, Mr. Walker, Alan Walker, the breeder.